GM, this is your Solana ecosystem news. The drop bears are now live on Phantom shortcuts. You can use these shortcuts to safely do multiple things with your NFT. Price of Sol's $19.47. Now's the time to be listening to good podcasts. Give this episode, produced by Dean's List DAO, a listen. NFT volume is down bad. Only mint things that have value. And if you're producing something, make sure it's epic and has product market fit. The Mumbai Hacker House was a resounding success. The Fed is now mentioning Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana in the same sentence. That's a mega win. Just Source has a thread on why booty is not so expensive. And Cal has a strategy for playing Reavers. I haven't made any more tutorials on Reavers because of their exploit. It's still not fixed. Here's an update from the team. Juice teases jungle advertising. Studwood is the CEO of Play the Heist. Says the train hasn't even fueled yet. New mini-games coming soon. Tato has a thread on 31 upcoming NFT projects. And I've been excited for Acid Dash for some time. At the very least, make sure you're using the app. Stay curious, catch you tomorrow.